this is Samantha from your zoology class, 5th hour, and I'm doing the internal anatomy of the shark. So 1, that is the conus arteriosus, and 2 is the atrium. It passes blood to the ventricle, which is the 3rd part, and the ventricle is the muscular side of the heart because it pumps blood throughout the whole body. And then 4, that's the sinus venosus, and it just filters blood back into the atrium. 5 is the gonads, and this shark, since it has claspers, is a male, so those would be the testes. And then 6, that is the stomach, and sharks have a rather large stomach because they have to eat, or they eat their prey whole. So, and then 7, that would be the pancreas, and that is the digestive gland. And 8 is the spleen, and it makes red blood cells. Down here at 9, that would be, that is the spiral valve, and because of the large liver and stomach, then there's not a lot of room for digestion, so the spiral valve, it slows down that process, and it increases the absorption surface, which is a advantage for sharks because they sometimes go days without food. 10, that is the that would be okay, so this is a male. That cord is part of the male reproductive system, but I can't think of the name. 11 is the rectal gland, and it regulates the salt concentration in the blood. Living in a salty environment, sharks can't control how much salt they consume, so that prevents too much salt being consumed from the shark. And then 12, this is the liver. As you can see, they're very large and they're really oily, and they help aid in buoyancy. And that is